Hi, I'm Ellie Shaheen, and this is a monologue from Cat on a Hot Tin Roof by Tennessee Williams. You can be young without money, but you can't be old without it. Because to be old without it is just too awful. You have to choose to be one or the other. Either young or with money, but you can't be old and without it. That's the truth, Brick. I know I made my mistake when my bracelet. You ought to understand, Skipper and I, this time I'm gonna finish what I have to say to you. Skipper and I made love. If love you could call it, because it made both of us feel a little closer to you. You son of a bitch. You were too hard on people. On me, on him, on all those poor, unlucky, damned sons of bitches that happen to love you. And there's a whole lot of them. There's a whole lot of them besides Skipper and I. You asked too much of people that loved you. Anyway, so Skipper and I made love to dream it was you. You superior creature. You God-like being. The truth. What's so awful about it? I like it. I shouldn't have told you.